Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So all of you keep turn on your video. Okay, so this period we are going to solve. We are going to revise the problems from the chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1, numbers, quantifications, and numerical applications. That is chapter 1. Okay, so from chapter 1, before we do this, I want to share, okay, I want to say about the question paper pattern with you. One second, I think it is not here. Okay, I'll download it and afterwards I'll show it to you. Listen. In your question paper pattern, you have to answer 40 questions. Okay, you have to answer how many questions? 40 questions are there. Total questions will be 50. Total number of questions you will have 50. It is divided into 3 sections. Okay, if you take your sample question paper, okay, after this period, I'll send the sample question paper. If you look into the pattern, you can see that there will be overall 50 questions will be there. I get total 50 questions and it is divided into 3 sections. It is divided into 3 sections. Okay, this question paper contains 3 sections, A, B, and C. Each part is compulsory. If you take section A, there are 20 MCQs. You have to answer any 16. There will be 20 MCQs. You have to answer any 16. You have to answer. Okay, not in order and all. You can do it in any order. Section B contains 20 MCQs. And you have to attempt any 16 out of 20. Okay, you have to attempt 20. Then, section C contains 10 MCQs, out of which you have to answer any 8 questions. In section C only, they will give case study questions. In section C, you will get 1 case study question. According to the sample paper, you get 1 case study question. Okay. According to the sample paper, you're getting 1 case study questions and the remaining and all everything will be MCQs. So total we are given with 50 questions. You have to answer 40. It is divided into 3 sections, section A, section B, and section C. Section A contains 20 questions. You have to answer any 16. Section B also we have 20 questions. You have to answer any 16. Section C you have 10 questions. You have to answer any 8 questions. You'll get case study questions and all that. Is it clear? Is the pattern okay? And if you look at the weightage of the portions, okay, if you look into the weightage of the portions, probability you get 10 marks, children. Okay, I'll give it correctly. Okay, to probability you'll get 10 marks from this numbers and all you will get. Okay, 1 second, I'll check it. Okay, so today we are going to do questions from the part numbers. You are all having the textbook. Along with what you have to do, I have sent 1 PDF today. Is or no? From the PDF, do as many questions possible. Okay, if you do if you look in that question, in the sample paper, that PDF which I've sent, there are some extra questions. But what you can do, you can take your textbook, and in your textbook, I have told first volume, some parts are deleted. Scheduling part, FCFS, something is deleted. And you can download this sample paper given, not sample paper, this textbook of CBSE. Okay, textbook given by CBSE for chapter 1. Okay, I'll send that one also today. In that part also, few things are deleted. That is, scheduling part is deleted. Scheduling FCFS, it is given in the beginning, it was included in the syllabus, but now it is deleted. I think in the book given by the CBSE, their scheduling is there. Scheduling FCFS, it is given in one page. That part is not there for you. FCFS, SJF is deleted. Okay. You have to learn up to pipes and cisterns, races, partnership, up to that. So for this first exam, we are going to write about numbers, ratios and proportions, that is alligations. Then next is speed and distance. And the next one is speeds and distances, pipes and cisterns. Okay, this is for the first exam. Okay, so we can start with this, what we have learned earlier. Take your books and get ready. Okay, note down all the points and go through it once again. So first thing we are going to learn about is modular function, modulus. Modulus means what you will get? We will get reminders. Okay, we'll get about the reminders. If you look into the concept map, okay, if you take number theory, in number theory, you have to learn three things. The first thing you have to learn is modulo arithmetic. You have to learn is modulo arithmetic. Next is congruence modulo. Next is simple arithmetic functions. We have learned some functions. So these three things comes under the numbers, simple arithmetic functions. These three chapters you have to cover. And if you take the next part, quantification and numerical application. Okay, this is about the syllabus only. I'm giving this. You should know about this part. So here we have pipes and cisterns. Pipes and cisterns are there. Next is alligations. Okay, that is ratios, mixtures. Alligations and mixtures. In which ratio we have to mix, that is there. Then partnership is there. Then races and games. Boards and streams, upstream, downstream questions. Boards and streams. And one more part, numerical inequalities. And one more part, it is numerical inequality. So this much things you have to learn. Okay. This many things are there in the, if you take the first unit. Okay, so now here we are going to start with modular arithmetic. What is meant by modular arithmetic? Okay, so modular arithmetic means what? What is modulus? It is reminder. Suppose you are given with two integers x and y. With x is greater than y. So what we can do? We can divide x by y. And we can find some quotient. And we can find some remainder. Is there no quotient? We can denote it as q and the remainder is r. So we can write x is equal to y q plus r. Y into q plus r. The given number can be written as dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so when you divide this, what is x mod y? When you divide x with y, what is x mod y? It is the remainder. X mod y means you have to write the remainder. Okay. So tell me, what is 21 mod 8? What is the answer? When you divide 21 by 8, what is the remainder? 8 2s are 5. The remainder is 5. Okay, the remainder is 5. Okay, now give the answer once again, Aishwarya. What is the answer?
5.
5. Okay. Now write the next one. What is 18 mod 18? What is 18 mod 18? When you divide 18 by 18, what is the remainder?
0.
0. What is 7 mod 9? Is it possible to divide a smaller number by bigger number? No. So then the remainder will be the same itself. That number itself you will get 7. What is 31 mod 7? What is negative 31 mod 7? Negative 31 mod 7. What you will get? So negative 31. So remainder, try to write it as positive. Okay. So remainder should lie. It should be smaller than the given number, isn't it? So what you will write? When you write 31. Negative 31, we divide it by 5. So you can write this as minus 5. So you'll get minus 35, isn't it? So what is the remainder you will get? Will it be plus 4? You subtract it. Okay, so what is the remainder here? It is plus 4. Okay, and then we have learned some properties. Are you able to follow this? Recall all these things, children? Are you able to recall these properties? We have learned this in first chapter. So in that tomorrow's class, learn and come. Then only it will be easy for you. Okay, go through all the properties and come. Now look at the next part. Next is properties. What are the properties we have learned? Okay, write down the property. First property is x mod y equal to x plus ky into mod y. What is it? X plus ky into mod y. Okay. Ky means what? Multiples of y. If you, okay, ky means multiples of y. When you divide, for example, what is 5 mod 5? It is 0. Is or no? 5 mod 5, is it 0? What is 8 mod 5? What is 8 mod 5? It is 3. It is 3, isn't it? Now with 8, suppose I add some multiples of 5. So what is 8 plus 30 mod 5? Look at here, 30 is a multiple of 5. So what is 8 plus 30 mod 5? If you take 30, it is a multiple of 5. So here the remainder will be always 0. So it is same as, you look at only this 8. It will be same as 3 itself. So that is why we write here, x mod y will be same as x plus k into y. What is k? K is any integer. It is any, okay, k is any integer. So x mod y is equal to x plus ky into mod y. Then what else we have learned? Then what else? What are the other properties we have learned? A plus b mod c. A plus b mod c is equal to, you can separate it, a mod c plus b mod c. Then again, once again, you add it, and again, if you take this one, is it greater than a mod c plus b mod c mod c. A mod c plus b mod c plus c. For example, write this question. Evaluate 14 plus 8 mod 5. How will you do this? How will you do this? It's a smaller number, so you can easily do this. 14 plus 8 mod 5. So it is same as, either we can add this and we can find, or using the property, what you can write? 14 mod 5 plus 8 mod 5. Okay, what is 14 mod 5? You will get 4. Is or no? Is or no? Karthik, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is 8 mod 5? 8 mod 5 is? Yes, when you divide 8 by 3 it is. So it will get 7, but you should get a number which is smaller than this. When you divide by 5, the remainder must be smaller than this. That is why what we do, if the sum is greater than, again you divide it by 5. So 7 mod 5, what is it? It is 2. So the remainder must be, whenever you write the remainder, the modulus value must be smaller than the given number. Okay, it must be less than the divisor. It may be 0, but it should be always less than the divisor. It must be less than the divisor. Are you able to recall all these properties? Huh? Yes or no? Are you having your textbook with you? Go through it. Okay. So after this class, once again, what you have to do today, go through all these things once again. Is it okay? Up to this, is it clear, Tomlin?
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham? Femina?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the next one. Write the next one. 14 into 8 mod 5. 14 into 8 mod 5. So according to the property, what you have learned? 14 mod 5 into 8 mod 5. You separate it. What is 14 mod 5? 14 when divided by 5. What is the remainder?
4.
4 into 3. But 4 into 3 is 12, which is bigger. So what do you have to do? Either we should divide. Again, we have to divide it by 5. So what will be the answer? It is 2. It is 2. Therefore, what is the property? What is the property we have learned here? Okay, property. This is first property we learned. Second one. So third property is A into B mod C is. A into B mod C is. You can separate it. A mod C into B mod C. Then again you have to take mod C. You have to look at the value. If it is less than, you can write it as such. If it is greater than, once again you have to divide it and we have to write the remainder. Okay. Is it clear? Is it okay? Now write the next one. Write the next one. Find the remainder. Find the remainder when. Find the remainder when 127 into 137 into 23 into 50 into 235 into 15 is divided by 7. When this is divided by 7. Okay, you are doing one more question. Is or no? You are doing one more question. Okay, don't write more elaborately. You have to write with the minimum steps. So what you can do? We know that if it is in multiplication, you find the remainders and multiply. So what is 127 divided by 7? What is 127 divided by 7? 127. When you divide by 7, what is the remainder? 7 1 is 7, 57. 7 8s are 56. Is it 1? Is it correct, children? Is it 1?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is 1. Okay. Into. Now do you take the next number? 137. You divide it by 7. 7 1 is 7, 67. 7 9s are 63. So balance will be 4. Into. Again 7. 7 3s are 21. Remainder will be 2. Am I correct? Are you able to do this? If you take 50, remainder is 1. Now take the next one, 235. 235, you divide it by 7. 7 3s are 21 and 25. 7 3s are 21, balance is 4. So into 4, 15 if you take, it is 1. So again, we have to take the product of all these things. 4 into 2, 8. 18 into 2 is 16. 16 mod 7. What is 16 mod 7?
2.
16 mod 7 is? Check it, children. Is it correct? 4 into 2, 8. 8, sorry. 4 into 2, I think 1, 2 we missed out. It is 32 mod 7, isn't it? 4 into 2, 8 4s are 32 mod 7. Now 32, you divide it by 7. What is the answer? 7 4s are 28. So answer will be 4. Is it clear? Is the first part, is it okay? That modulus part, division part, is it clear, children? Yes? Aparna, are you able to recall this part, what you have learned today now? Huh? Is it okay?
Yes,
Femina?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll give one question. Do it. Do it and give me the answer. Find 246 into 179 mod 9. 246 into 179 mod 9. Give the answer. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, what is the answer? 246 when you divide it by 9. What is the remainder? 246 when you divide it by 9. What will be the remainder? Is 8. Into 179 if you divide it by 9.
Ma'am.
Yes.
3.
Which one? First one. 246 when you divide by 9. What is the remainder?
3.
9 twos are 18. Balances 66. Yes, you'll get 3 only here. 3 into then 179 when you divide it by 9. 1 times 9, then 89. 9 nines are 81. Whether the balance is 8. Am I correct, Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 into 8 mod 9. What is 3 8s are? 24 mod 9. So what is the answer?
6.
6. It will be 6. It is 6. Okay. Write the next one. It will be 6. Write the next one. Find the last 2 digits. Find the last 2 digits of the product 4895 into 6789. We want to find the last 2 digits of the last 2 digits means what you have to do? You have to find mod 100. If it is last 3 digits means you have to find mod 1000. Is it clear? Last 2 digit means 2 places means you have to take mod 100. Last 1 digit means you have to take mod 10. If it is last 3 digit means you have to take mod 1000. Okay. So here 4895 into 6789 mod 100. So what you will get? 4895 mod 100 means you will get 95 into here when you take the remainder, is it 89 into 100? Is it correct, children? Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
A into B mod 100 is A mod 100 into B mod 100. Now find out what is 95 into 89. What is 95 into 89? Find out. What is 95 into 89? Is it like this? Are you getting like this? 8455 mod 100. So it will be the answer.
55.
55. This 55. Okay, if here it is asked 2 places, that is why we divide it by 100. If it is 3 places, means you divide it by thousands. Next one. Next property we learn is if A is congruent to B mod n, then A raised to K also will be equivalent to B raised to K mod n. If A is congruent to B mod n, then A raised to K is congruent to B raised to K mod n. Okay. So if you using this, write the question. Find 3 raised to 16 mod 4. Find 3 raised to 16 mod 4. Okay. If you take 3 raised to 1, it is 3 only, isn't it? You take somewhat a bigger number, 3 square, it will be 9. So you can start with that. 3 square is congruent to 3 square. If you divide it by 4, what is the remainder you will get? Is it 1 mod 4? Okay. We want 16. 16 means what you can do? We take power 8 is congruent to 1 raised to 8 mod 4. So we will get 3 raised to 16 is congruent to 1 raised to 8. What is 1 raised to 8? It is 1. So here also it is congruent to 1. So the remainder will be 1. The possible remainder is 1. Okay? Is it okay? Aishwarya, Aparna, Karthik, turn on your video. Femina, Shubham. Are you able to do this? Okay. Right, the next one. Next one. Find the last digit of 12 raised to 12. Find the last digit of 12 raised to 12. Last digit means you have to take with respect to, we have to divide it with respect to 10. If it is asked last 2 digit means by 100. Okay, so here 12 raised to, so what you can do? 12 raised to 12 mod 10. That is what we have to find. So what we can write? 12 raised to 1 is congruent to 2 mod 10. Okay, 2 mod 10. So what you can write? We want 12. 12 means how you can write? Is it 4 into 3? Straight away, if I take 12 means you'll get 12 raised to 12. Instead of that, let us evaluate it slowly. Okay, step by step. 12 raised to 4 will be congruent to 2 raised to 4 mod 10. So 12 raised to 4 is congruent to 2 raised to 4 means it is 16. What is 16 mod 10? If you divide 16 with 10, it will be 6. 6 mod 10. We want 12 raised to 12. So what you can do? We can take cube root, isn't it? Cube is congruent to 6 cube mod 10. So we'll get 12 raised to 12. 12 raised to 12 is congruent to 6 cube. What is 6 cube? It is 216 mod 10, isn't it? 216 mod 10. Now 216, if you divide it by 10, we will get 6. When you divide it by 10, the remainder is 6. So
Ma'am.
12, yes,
Wasn't it 16 too?
6, 2 raised to 4, no, 16 is more than 10. If it is more than 10, what you can do? You can write the remainder. Is it clear? 16 mod 10. So it is more than the given number. So what you can do? You can once again divide it and you can write the remainder. Okay, Aishwarya.
Yes, ma'am.
So do this type of questions again. Okay, take the textbook, do the exercise once again. Now next one. Next one is, it is 7 p.m. currently. It is 7 p.m. currently. It is 7 p.m. currently. What time will be in the next 1500 hours? What time will be in the next 1500 hours? So next 1500 hours. So we know that it's a rotation, isn't it? We know that one day means it is 24 hours. Okay, so what you will do here? We should divide 1500 by 24. Why we divide it by 24? That is my question. Why we divide by 24? You want the hours. Okay, one day means 24 hours. Suppose it is given in days. Then using which number you will divide? 365 days after today means what you will do? You will divide by Anila Mohanan. You will divide it by, you'll be dividing it by, suppose I want to convert that into weeks. How many weeks? Means what you will do? Suppose you are given 85 days. So after how many weeks means what you will do? You will divide it by
7.
7. Okay, here it is hours. That is why we divide it by 24. So 1500, you divide it by 24 first. 1500 dividing by 24. How many times? Tell me, Karthik. 1500 and you divide it by 24. So 24 into 4, 16, 96. 24 into 5, 120, isn't it? 24 into 5, yes. 24 into 6, 6 4s are 24. So how many times it will go? So currently it is 7 p.m. So 1500 hours means what you will get? You'll get 62 days plus 12 hours. So don't look at the days. You look at only this 12 hours. With the 7 plus 12. So here it is 7 p.m. So what will be the answer? After 12 hours means it will be 7 a.m. Is it correct? Is it okay, Tomlin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then look at next topic we have discussed about additive function, multiplicative function. What is meant by additive function? What is additive function we have discussed? Okay, look at here. Look at the, okay, some notations are changing, children. Property and all, everything is same. Okay, property and all is same. Only the notations are changing. In the book given by CBSE, the notations are changing. The first one we are going to learn is addition modulo. Addition modulo m. Addition modulo m. That is A plus mb. Look at here. What do you have to do? Nothing. Okay, we have to add and you have to divide by m. So A plus B mod m will be A plus B. Addition modulo will be same as it is A plus B mod m. If A plus B is greater than or equal to m. And it will be A plus B if A plus B is less than m. It will be A plus B if A plus B is less than m. Note down this definition, children. This definition is not in the textbook. Okay, in your CBSE book, we have this. Okay, this notation, no doubt, because the notations is changing. Look at here, children. What is 2 plus 3, 4? So what you will do? What you can do? We have to add these two numbers, which will be same as 6 mod 3. It will be same as 6 mod 3. What is 6 mod 3? You add the numbers and divide it by 3. So what is 6 mod 3? Which is 0, isn't it? 6 when you divide it by 3, what is the remainder? 12 mod 7, 9. What you will do? 12 plus 9 mod 7. Add and divide by 7. Find the remainder. So 12 plus 9. What is 12 plus 9? 12 plus 9 is 21, isn't it? It will be same as 21 mod 7, which will be 0. What is 5 mod 4, 8? What you will write? What is 5 plus 8? 5 plus 8 is 13 mod 4. Okay, what is the answer? It will be 1. Okay, this one we call it as addition modulo. Similarly, subtraction modulo. After subtraction, we have to find. After subtraction, we have to find. After subtraction, we have to find the modulo. Okay, instead of plus, we'll write minus. The same method only, minus m. It's instead A minus B mod m. Here also it is A minus B if A minus B is less than m. A minus B mod m if A minus B is greater than or equal to m. Okay, let us do one question now. Write the question. A is equal to 17, B is equal to 13, m is equal to 3. Find A minus B mod m. Find what is A minus B mod m. A is 17, B is 13, m is 3. That means what you have to do? You find out A minus B. 17 minus 13 mod 3. What will be the answer? What is the answer?
1.
1. It is 1. Suppose A is 11, B is minus 43. M is 7. M is 7. So what do you have to find? A minus 7B. That is 11 minus 43, isn't it? 11 minus 43 mod 7. So which is same as 11 plus 43 mod 7. So what you will get? What is 11 plus 43? Is it 54? 54 mod 7 means what is the answer? What will be the answer?
5.
5. Okay. Anila Mohanan, is it clear? Is it okay? The next is multiplication modulo. Next is multiplication modulo. Method is same. Okay, write the question. A is 5, B is 6, M is 3. How will you do? A multiplication modulo B. So here 5 multiplication modulo 6. That means what you have to do? 5 into 6 mod 3. What is the answer? 30 mod 3. It will be 30 mod 3. Thirty mod 3 means what is the remainder? Is it 0? Is it 0?
Yes, ma'am.
See, children, today what you have to do? Learn, go through in your textbook exercise 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 and come. Ratios and mixtures, learn the formula and come. Then only you'll be able to do it at the earliest. Okay? Learn and come. Okay? Okay, children. With this we wind up. Thank you.